update. Chop off those fender struts. Got that front fender mounted back here. Looks pretty good. Flipped it the other way. Looks pretty good that way too. But I don't like that real exposed. I've seen a lot of people just take their fender off and it just didn't look totally right. So I had to put something. That bigger jet in there too, looks a little better. I mean, sounds a little better. A little better at least. T-bars back on. Chopped off my wires. I'm gonna rewire it. But for now, just jump started it. So. Not jump, whatever you call it. Touch some wires together. Yeah, looks good, I think. Bolt to get right up under there.